A 20-minute treatment that can tighten, restore, and boost confidence sounds too good to be true, right? If you want to know, watch till the end. If you are somebody who have had multiple deliveries and your vaginal wall has become weak, the inner lining is too stretched, or it feels too dry and there is a lot of discomfort in intimacy, then this might be for you. So the procedure that we are talking about is called laser vaginal rejuvenation. Yes, this is a non-surgical procedure. There is no surgery involved here. There is no need to get admitted. It's an absolutely safe procedure. It's an OPD based procedure. There might be slight discomfort, but there is no pain at all with this treatment. So what the procedure is going to do for you, it's going to generate some heat, there is some inflammation, and there is some collagen induction in the lining of the vagina. What it is going to do to your vagina is it's going to improve your dryness. It's going to improve lubrication. It's going to make the vaginal muscles smooth and tighter. It prevents recurrent infections. And if you are somebody who is facing a minor urinary incontinence while coughing, sneezing, such activities, then it's going to correct that also. What it does, it's going to sensitize the erogenous areas, which will lead you to have an enhanced sexual experience. How many sessions will be required? Will it be painful? Will it be comfortable? Can I return to my work normally? So yes, 3 sessions are required minimum. You can go up till 6 sessions also. What it is going to do to you is it's going to give you an opportunity to live a healthy and satisfying intimate life. This machine is for laser vaginal rejuvenation. So this is how the probe looks, and it uses radio frequency energy. So this is a probe that is going to go inside the vaginal canal, and this is how it is rotated. So it releases the RF energy, which is going to heat up the vaginal layers, is going to heat up the whole vagina, lining of the vagina, and it's going to produce more mucus. That is the reason that you feel more lubricated after the procedure. Is going to tighten the vaginal muscles, and it will help you with the tightening of the vaginal canal. It's going to move around like this, from which the radio frequency energy is released, which heats up the fibers, it heats up the lining, and it's going to boost collagen production from within, which is in turn going to give you some tightening of the muscles, the smooth muscles, as well as to some extent the pelvic floor muscles. The same probe is also used on the external genitalia, which is going to give a proper tightening to the external genitalia as well. Are there any restrictions post this procedure? There are no restrictions post this procedure. You can start exercising immediately. However, for a week's time, you are not supposed to use menstrual cups or tampons, and sexual activity is also prohibited for a week after the procedure. Other than that, there are no restrictions to the procedure.